Good afternoon, ladies and germs. This is my new bird feeder, model BF003, BF bird feeder 003, made by MT Industries. So it is squirrel proof. As you can see, the squirrels can't get beyond the tray, and it is also cat proof because the seeds fall into the tray. They're not on the ground like this where the cats get the birds. So, and there is a place for a solar light so that the birds can do some night snacking if they wish, or the dogs. Okay, so anyways, I have this custom pole which we use to put the bird feeders into the slots, into the hooks. This model sells for $299.99. With in America, that would be $450 with the tariffs. Alrighty, let's demonstrate this portion of it. Okay, you got it on, Wendy? Do you have it on here?
Of course.
You got, okay. So we put this in here. There we go. Geronimo. And we go up here. There we go. Done. Done like dinner.